Hi guys, I was trying to clean up my office because I know that I have a From Where I Posh campaign due today for Poshmark, and then I thought I'm gonna show them the truth. The real truth of the matter is that on Mondays and a lot of days, my office isn't perfect. Guys, look at this. Now, I like to portray calm and organization, but that's not who I am. Some days it's just a disaster. I have to clean this mess up. I'm trying to reorganize because I'm going to have an open house pop-up sale in my space, which I'm super excited about, on Earth Day weekend, along with our shop and share event where the 3 shining stars are chosen. But like, look, this guy had a stain on it, so I'm trying to clean a dry spot off of that. I have junk everywhere that I've been listing. I had to pull apart 3 bins to find something that someone bought that was already put away for winter. And you know what? It's the reality of our world, right? It's the reality of our world. And I'm gonna clean it up, and I'll show you in a minute how quickly I can clean it up and put it all back, because if you have an organized space with everything having a place, when you rip it to shreds and you let your true hoarder come out, you can get it back to normal, right? And it's okay. And that's the joy of being my own boss. No one's gonna yell at me about this except me, which is awesome. So that's my From Where I Posh moment today. Total chaos, embrace the chaos, and just like this, it can be done. Takes a little elbow grease, right? All right, guys, this is From Where I Posh.